What? Oh man. Tule Azege one. Tule Azege oh. When you all Abuja oh. Tule Azege oh. Abuja kaboko jega. Tule Azege oh. Tule Azege one. Where would you all Abuja oh. Tule Azege oh. Abuja kaboko jega. Zege koyota.
Tule Azege koyota.
When you all Abuja yo. Zege koyota.
Tule Azege koyota.
Tule Azege koyota.
Tule Azege koyota.
Onka simba hela. Shimba he. Shimba nyafu 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 nyafu. Avinda pa udega.
Tule Azege koyota.
Tule Azege koyota.
Tule Azege koyota.
Unyola buja yo. Zege koyota.
Tule Azege koyota.
Onka simba hela. Shimba he. Shimba nyafu 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 nyafu. Avinda pa
Your mama nyang Abuja popo. Okay. Wait. You know your mother will nyang which you back we were nothing. Fun where's it?
Where's it going, Jenny?
How are you?
Very fine.
How are you? How are you? I'm a member. How are you? Tom G.
Etiokana.
Yaga Tule Azege. Tule Azege.
Tule Azege.
What?
Now, Ongone na how fato, no fato na Tom Hana. You will have very balloon.
Onenega.
Onenega.
Kai Tom Pop.
Listen to me. See, young man, I need somebody that will take care of this compound, doing everything in this compound. Will you be able to do it?
Ebu.
Mega, Mgo kere kaolu na Tom Hiyahan, Semble Stanam, Biago, and Alpha to Tom Hiyahan.
But one at time, Quaga, Tom was near Sequashi, Upanapa, now son with you okay. Kuwa moto makilega ton one cheetah, Jilla Obessin. Yeah, we give you a go. Well, but that time,
You will have a minute.
Zambo, but now when Tomsa, Afaton.
You know, my regime. We never want to win any magin yali pushy and number again quagga.
Tule Azege. Mega, over to Noto.
I mean, it was hit all.
It was hit all.
What?
I was seeing a test with you.
Zege koyota.
Tule Azege koyota.
Unyola buja yo. Zege koyota.
Tule Azege koyota.
Tule Azege
wangu zayo ile bujanga maka group wona you mention here she office was direct over here na order that he shoot aside ma mnenge ma itongo nuru le higere na Mani, Tilewu, Umwakwa Molonga.
No, officer.
At least 1 week. Chimwa, call Yanu Vadere, Namasele, Yanu call 1 year, the budget paper. The budget Cholo, Makwaya, and your office was it. Kakualam Behem, Walam, Shamia. Only my junior colleague, over the farm, but more farm, somebody required no. Kakualam Behem, all the way, Mimani, he did to me.
It's okay, it's okay. Officer, call me a long way. It's a good man right from time. Thank you so much for that information. Ndu lawoga, shimungu wa manenwa wana ugo nwa Wa myeme Ghana. Myeme Ghana na ha. Before you am tili one I know do weekend. Actually, you should work check out here among them information.
Talented.
Thank you for this information.
Talented. Akonya says walo henga.
No,
Umwaga.
Nyeku na.
Know your boys. Umwaga.
No problem.
Know your boys.
No problem, sir. I'll do
That
just
should
that.
not continue with this thing.
So, Chivi ba Chivi. Na ha ambe kwa nyane banana kekofa. As officer. Go my junior officer would enjoy you. Somebody to you. I'm Sudan and Tahama. Sir, please.
I'll you in Ghana na ha.
You are invited.
Along by you.
Tule Azege kwa yota.
Nyola puja yo, sege kwa yota.
Tule Azege kwa yota.
Tule sege kwa yota.
Tule Azege kwa
Yota. Onka simba hela, shimba he.
Tule
Shimba
Azege.
nyafu 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 nyafu. Avinda pa udega.
Yes, sir.
Koho Teso. Tidying of the house. We yem and shy put again. That's on by her.
Hey, Ty. Ty. Yala can be now, you can't die the house.
Haluwa kuwe shake veo. Uwa kuwe shake unangelo. Tule Azege nyola buja lu manager. Tule Azege nyola buja lu manager. Lu manager ilu kasi.
Nigga, no, you must have to shut up with all. What was it doing here or what? Tabby Muji. Yeah, won't cool with our pockets over there, tidy house. Tidy house.
Let's look in up in the air. Die. Cow can I can quagga.
Come on, I'm here, Jella.
Now, yeah, go sick and get a call. Look at your cheek. Oh, fuck, come on, my tiger in the morning.
Come on, you hear
Unangi the world come lamont over the Jiniga. But I'm anyway. See him say, don't.
What's that cake?
Okay, great.
Oh, no, don't be young. Oh, yeah. Akayo mana ga ta nfa mo hu do wo ga yi wa hu ga dan da ma ya ga wo ke bu I have sweep everywhere, clean everywhere. Oh, God still dey talk about that house. That house. Let's say make a tire. When anything we got talk, Miss Roma. We don't have this thing we found the ground where they shake. We say make a tire. I go tie it to. I'm gonna talk. He using mud. Now in mud, he use that to make a tie the house. I don't clean everywhere. You still say make a tie house. Come can't show cap. Together.
Tule Azege nyo pujave o Anyaro sanyora kwa ukenge Tule Azege nyo pujave o Anyaro sanyora kwa ukenge Kwa ukenge kwa hile sheve kenge Anyaro sanyora kwa ukenge Kwa ukenge kwa hile sheve kenge Tule Azege nyo pujave o Anyaro sanyora kwa ukenge Anyoro sanyora kwa ukenge Kwa ukenge kwa hile sheve kenge Mawana hembu zake na kwaye Hembu mawana hembu zake na tie o Wala hembu zake na tie Hembu mawana hembu zake na tie o Makwa hembu zake na tie Hembu mawana hembu zake na tie o Wala hembu zake na tie Hembu mawana
What comes that? Manuel.
Yeah.
Hey, boy. Olha como eu dou um jeito aí, mano. Ayaga bela. Dah ini lampu hemu nak ya kuasa macam lampu bagai. Lampu macam ini yang mana maya kopi tiga. Oh ya betul. Tolong lainnya.
Am I going to stand there and wait for her? Please, let me just wait. Why will I just stand here and wait for my friend?
So I don't want to be alone for here the time.
Vivi, how are you?
Girl,
Look at
it's
you.
been long.
Oh, give me a hug.
Baby, you're beautiful.
Thank you. And look at you. You're looking so
Seriously?
But
Wow.
I'm just back. And you don't even care to look for me.
I've been busy throughout today.
See,
You know,
I'm so busy to the end.
sorry, it's not my wish, baby. It's not my wish. It's not my wish.
Look at you. You're looking so beautiful.
Yeah, you know what will happen? See, I'm going to tell you what will happen in Nigeria and Chicha. Momo, I'm going to tell you what will
I can't wait to hear it. Cassie, wow. I really miss you. I can't wait to hear. Oh.
Bibi na yeye wongo za tienyi. Ngoma shingi. Shingi ni hole. Mega tiembe kaza makabe ya. Shingi. Baba.
Abatolo shingi mimi. Abatolo shingi mimi.
Awasi.
Ai wongo sa wasi.
Ye na me baby bi ana na.
Kafaga. Adoga shingi wan manager.
Kai. Na hanga. Nenge umane uhe. Kashima wate.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Ka gwechire. Nenge ga. Yangi mwa kwasu chuku gan o yobe ngwana. Na ya ba kenge ngwana hikum na hana guma kenge hikum na. Kape ngwana yalu hikum sum jene. Baga. Wako za ya nam sushima yo na ega. Mwe kwa chaye baga chaga. Neruwe kama mina na ha. Nenge simuhega. Se kwa chakra baga.
Chakra baga. Mo se yamu keleke. Yangi bu ma yo dinaga. Na yame ya.
Wani nega. Kako yeme ga.
Tule.
Eso.
Kai. Nso mbatu abebe ngia. Tuma ya te chiana na. Ofa. Mba nagam neba yo ba homo no ta. Popo. Ku. Yes. Ofa. Talo solution na. O kala kwa hanenga. Hamona ko hanenga. Shimba fahigon juya. Tayo ni na juya ni lutai. Na ni hanenga. Mba mo all no story. Ele no ka homo no ka ne ka mo shala ka na ke. Kau no papa tini ne be ya.
Kasi tita. Naga. Kai. Ufa. Kasi na kasi chi o han jepa. Se ba discover ega.
Nyime.
Se ba discover ega. Wejiji ga kwa momo ru weru kwa ga. Ugwa yogo.
Wasi
Ya nega. Yang ga na ya o pa he pepe. Kwaso ka tin ru kwa ka ne salim da chun o je ba. Nchia. Ubra chun wo pa na ha. Wo be si wa kai.
Nege. Somaga. Olum story. Bakane tumahane olobe. Nise zaza. La nyamo kamungwa.
Besi. Ufa we ungwe professor. Na ado mu aron we story ke zoba tu no ba don we.
Kau ya kamere studying of the house. That kanga yo nyano. Oh, story ke zoba tu.
Ufaga yanga yo la ya mungwa fure ngwa me tie house. Die house.
Ta. Ora se bute.
Naga. Ulu professor mu aron story ne ke zoba tu so that ngwa tsembri ya. It is a long time ago. There was on occasion. Plenty persons has come for the occasion. One Baba brought him bicycle. He put the bicycle at the end of the backyard. When occasion come finish, Baba want to go and took his bicycle. Baba didn't saw his bicycle again. Woo. Baba came and make an announcement. He said, I am not seeing my bicycle from that very place I have parked it. If that bicycle hasn't came back, what happened last year will happen this year. Younger saying, yeah, I heard
If bicycle na idegaya.
If bicycle hasn't came back. Na ha ya baba tamu zanga kijina hidega. Baba came for the second time and make another announcement. He said, I am saying this thing so that everybody will be witnesses. If my bicycle doesn't came back, what happened last year will happen this year again. Oh. Everybody think Papa was joking. Hey. When Papa wait like this, Baba came back for the last time. He said, I am making this announcement for the last time. If that bicycle did not come back, what happened last year will happen this year right about now.
Tule.
My young mama with a chair. They went and pushed Baba bicycle. Come and put it from that very press. Baba went and took his bicycle and kicked it. As Baba was moving, one man do Baba excuse. Say Baba excuse. Can we spoke? Baba say something. The man say, Baba, don't vex. You were talking about what happened last year. I was wanting to wait and see if that bicycle will not come back. Me too, I will know what happened last year. But now that the bicycle has came, don't vex. Just tell me what happened last year. Baba Richard came like this. He said, I will tell you. What happened last year was a very dangerous one thing. I parked my bicycle from that very press. When occasion finished, I didn't see my bicycle. Did you know what happened? The man said,
Yes. Yeah, can you? Yes, you know, yeah,
no, you're here.
That's all. Can't go this ever to the Kai, go with this old bastard. But the guy,
over here, but you was in your quaco. Me, or Parajama chong, which one?
Nigga, I Nitabia, more Vivia. We'll walk I walk with Sarah Banana. What? Another corner in a minute.
Banish, even if you forget nothing to joke. And the car, my crew kill it.
That's how it. God, quite one more, Georgia. Naga, never want to home about 200. Look at us up and never go.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, then, it told Jimmy in your hand. I hear flower in the hand. Can't Jana.
Well, what I got about what you can't give fertilizer. I'm a so gram corner question. I'm harsh.
Nega, Teso, Kawo Yova Matule. Venatule, more than Toa, a pusu, Ihon be one of fertilizer Gawaka.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, my new one. Tule, Kuba, one of the
Ubumaga. I don't know whether you can't swear Yagana. Kakuya Manua Jenny. Manua.
Tule Nega, say, get about one again.
From man and a ha, I will catch you again by Yan and be here sitting now. Unaka be home when I do it, you know. Manua, what did you call him?
To the negative. They more it dropped to walk with Balam and George Oraga. Who never allowed up to the Chamber. Who will call on the one time? Only laugh.
Listen, was going way after double tea. You can't go.
What was the car?
Make them do like a double tea. I forgot. After nothing. Yeah, chicken.
Babe.
Yes.
Wow, you are really pretty, let me confess.
You too. You too. You're looking more beautiful.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, I'm blushing.
There's a lot happening in this town. You're really missing.
Baby.
You're really missing.
Tell me more.
I really need to take you out.
Wow.
I need to see things. A lot is happening in this town.
Wow.
I will take you out, baby.
Baby, I must confess, you are beautiful.
Thank you.
You look
Same
more
here.
beauty than before.
Same here. You look more beautiful.
Thank
Every
you.
day I see
Wow,
you.
I'm so excited. Nothing like home.
As in, what's happening? Just tell me. It's been a while.
Sorry. Pardon my manners. You care for any drink?
Yes, I do. Sure.
Like
Something soft.
all right, soft, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me. Tule Azege. Tule Azege. Junior. Where have you? How are you?
Yes.
Junior has grown so fast. Look
Yeah.
at him.
It's not a big boy, you know.
Junior, how are you? Sit down.
Say you're fine. Auntie's greeting you.
Ask him.
Tule Azege, please, can you get us soft drink?
Okay.
I think you get anything soft.
Like, okay.
Soft.
Hey, Frigel.
Tule Azege, you are always on a singlet. Don't put on your why you need to. You are always like this.
Yeah. I will bring you something.
What is this?
Don't mind our
Your
house
brother
boy.
is very big.
No,
It's
it's
so
not
funny.
It's not. It's funny. Oh, indeed, it's very funny.
Wow.
He's
really
our
funny.
house boy anyway.
What's so big house boy?
Yes, now.
Boy, he's
Are you surprised? It's nice. It's nice being with you.
okay.
Tule Azege, how many times will I tell you not to use your legs to drag things?
I was holding something in this hand and the other one too. I brought it.
It's kind of person.
Mbu.
Yeah, you can open it.
Okay.
The house boy.
Collected.
Yeah.
Wow. So he's
The situation is collected.
Wow, I'm happy seeing. Tule Azege!
Just
Stop!
you again.
I told you several times without
voice
number
so
that you
funny.
don't use your teeth to open a drink. Use your hand to open it.
He's so funny.
Atoro.
Can you use
Atoro.
Even as that, look at your muscles. You want to tell me it's
How can you use
stronger
your
than
teeth
it?
to open somebody's drink? That's
You want to tell me it's stronger than you?
It's
That you
an
can use
open.
your hands to open it.
God. It's something else.
Ntoa.
Yeah, you can open it. Babe. Thank you. You can go.
Alright, thanks.
Wow, babe. This calls for celebration. Toast for what?
Love.
Long
Long
life
life
and prosperity. Wow, this calls for celebration.
Yeah.
Junior, can you go and get me the remote? Babe, oh yeah now. Come and show me the dance style.
Sure. Do it like this. No, baby, it's not like that. Let's go this way.
Baby, you know for your body is flexible, you know.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Okay.
Eh? Hey, that's not how to do it.
No. That's why you are here now, to put me through. Okay. Wow, I think I'm...
Yeah, look like this. This is the latest dance.
Una they call me?
Yeah.
You do dance?
Yeah.
So they think
But I don't know how to dance, oh.
wow.
And when you go by, I told you people.
Okay.
That dance, man.
Yeah.
So what? You want to do this? What do this? What do this? What do this?
You always cheat me. Yes.
What? That's what they do. If you want to do this kind of thing, you need space.
Okay.
You want to need space.
I think we have to shave this.
No.
Yeah.
Husband.
Tule Azege.
His softness. Husband. He's so funny.
I think let me try throwing my legs and see.
There back. You can't stand. What? You go call the one like this. Don't do this kind of dance again, oh.
Okay.
Hey!
Then which
We
one
were
is it
dancing.
now?
We were dancing and galala. This is what they do like this. They do like this. They do like this. One Chinese man was there. No quarrel.
Yes.
They can't turn to this azonto.
Okay.
When they dance like this. They dance like this.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay, this one now is Zonto, right?
Yeah. See this dance. This one when they do like this. How do you call it?
Shocking.
Shocking!
Oh, shocking. Which one is shocking again?
This boy was dancing with one Chinese man.
Yes.
Now you can't do like this, can't do like this. Hey! Chinese man can't look like this, give up. You go for. Now they go as the Chinese man. Say what happened. You saw the boy show a snake in the monkey shadow.
Okay.
Don't dance that one, no.
This young man, he's so
I can teach you guys how to dance very well. Let me go and come.
Okay, no problem. Thanks
Thank
for that.
you.
Yeah.
Cindy?
Yeah.
I like this guy.
You mean you love him?
No, I mean I like him.
How?
I like him as a person.
Wow.
He's so jovial, very funny guy.
Yeah. But
I think I would like to go out with him.
you mean this night?
Yeah, outing.
Yes, yesterday I brought in a chick. And I searched for it all over in the house, not even in the car, there is nothing. Nowhere to be found.
Like seriously? You mean you search everywhere?
Yes.
Have you checked the pigeonhole?
I checked everything. This is what I only got from there. Oh my God.
Are you sure
So,
you
and
didn't
it's-
misplace it?
It's an open check. I checked everywhere. I'm sure of it. I checked everywhere. No, I don't actually know. It's an open check.
Funny.
That cannot do me.
How can you tell you who are killing the moment?
Wow.
Wow!
This guy is such a nice man.
Hey! Jesus.
We still have such people in this
He's a
world.
nice guy.
Yeah, I think he's a nice guy.
Wow.
You
You can go. See you.
You impress me. Yeah. Like seriously, I'm surprised. We still have such people in this world. Wow. That's great. What's that your name again?
Tule Azege.
Yes, Tule Azege. Are you scared of me?
No.
I'm human. I'm human like you.
Which is the book? The
Never mind. Thank you. I appreciate it.
you like the paper?
Yes. Thank you.
What can you do that? That's all. When the child don't know when you're young, you must tell me na ha. But then back him by him brain. You tired? That's all. That's all. Okay, what's the economy do what 20 or that over and okay na ha. Inge ka am ku jima na rajia. Inju wa gwere inju wa we. boy kaka kwangelu nu mbatwere na ha na be hemba gbe ha won ya kpere mo kiri yo ma si chugu mana nyambi ma me se cho tada ma mtekra be uhe inge njue kijimekele njuwa kene nega inge kwa gana 37 usoro mba ha mpushi
ka check
la
ka check oh masa mama ya ke benwe kai
man fa kwa kigoro fa go no
check 37
inge ojuro mbra jebe kuma trata
hey
kela
37 million naira
37
million uto 37 million higeru Abuja ne ufacho uba mi siyem ki yasta sida bi nyari kiraga Tule Azege 37 million Tule Azege usobolu na luchao sha Abuja enga unengi yomba mao yakiya kava hiti sha Abuja kava fi Abuja ye ki ya yemna mao ya ai
kaba hiti
kava hiti Abuja
bai we ama kwa ngoshie na ondo ya ne to ha kesi ndi woringa
mawana hebzate na gwaye mawana hebzate na tie wala hebzate na tie
Yes. Come out, feel free. Yanekwa, you're also cheap. Vivian, woman, Yanekwa. Hey, Mike, be free.
Give me more.
Anything.
More. Over that maso more. Do you know that more? This one more.
Junior with mouth, right?
Vivian, in fact, I am so much happy to have met you. In fact, I'm so much happy. I enjoy my holidays, and that is why I decided that all of us should come here and enjoy yourselves before I will go tomorrow.
Brother, I will really miss you.
I miss you all, especially Tule Azege make me higere and he falling in love with him. To the extent that, in fact,
Brother,
you will take him out to town. Zendena kuguru Abuja chicha waka.
yes, brother.
Zana hajirinja. So you several Yamuna Konuku boutique waka.
Yes,
I
brother.
can give family mom her. So make sure say Tule Azege you mbayabo forward nigga na krafaga.
Very good.
He near.
Ngwa.
Yes.
Nso no man no why.
Enjoy your.
Ka hye no pore kuraje. Iyo anu tembre mfa. Hye no pore kura.
O ti kura
We ibo akwa aga o. Oga power switching. You say one power switching energy switching.
She's coming.
Please, brother, it's like I'll need something trade. Like, excuse me, do you have what kind of food just get me
so in fact Vivian about no better wa zo yo Vivian he kon jono
Wa za wo no yin.
Mo we no kwa we no ka Vivian fa ko le
Your friend, he's always funny. He's just always looking for a way to make
the money. Don't
Vivian fa ko le
Una ga ba hingi family member na agbasra le Muhammad ga. Ile shi wo mu. Ku fa teso ga. Just so do a very cigar, but we know here. How to crown here. We never joke or we want to quiet here. We can get on your movie here. What? See, you will see just what take away. One rap for Quaga. I don't know why I got my mouth for one now.
Just enjoy yourself.
Mother, him, women, I told you, sugar.
Tule Azege. This is not tissue. It's called serviette.
Sanyi.
Now pronounce it, let me hear you.
Sanyi.
Serviette. See? You are laughing, look at
Cut tissue, mommy, yes, it's 2 minutes. You can't get over copper me. When I tell you, look,
Blue one, pay again, but for me, the million. Yeah, how much? Or a biology, Mamma, Waka.
Why is the chef delaying our order? Chef! My stomach is really aching me. I'm hungry.
sorry, man, I am more another. But do pop.
Enjoy yourself. Tule. Zahman. How about you use never got?
Use your spoon. What's the spoon for?
What's the spoon? Touching about. Oh, listen. What you have, you want tissue was into how many years?
Tule. Use while I go.
Hey, not spoon, but I never can teach you was into how many.
Vivian, please, let me know.
Guy, yeah, brother, I am mom, let me know one day.
Your friend?
And then, Mama.
Enjoy yourself.
Not your knocking eye, and I'm a husband.
I think you share I'm not eating more.
You because I get tired, man.
Just need a little.
Yeah, but I do be young, I got with that talk. But when I can't, I'm not good. I don't know what you got. Oh, I ever so can.
In fact, don't I've eaten. I don't want to laugh. Just let me be. Okay, don't mind him.
Let me share from you. You don't talk while eating, okay? Get up next time. Yeah, please, let me share from your food.
Vivian.
Yeah?
He thought the name had you in the Vivian, oh, that's our water. To the second, our water. To the second, but why do pop?
No, you make us through one and one. If I go talk, you get it.
Hey, nigga, that's what use spoon. Nigga, use spoon. That make one. The one Vivian. Aba poto woro zone mi kire buja. Zone na ha jire vesno waka. Ahekwa. Kembia kwa na ka yinana.
So me mam dira mam be am pese tioki.
O ka nyogere. No boy, pese tio.
Me pese tioki.
O ka papa. Hey.
Mawana hembuzate na gwaye mawana hembuzate na tie o wala hembuzate na tie mawana hembuzate na tie o makwa hembuzate na tie mawana hembuzate na tie o wala hembuzate na tie mawana hembuzate na tie o
Amiga, you want to come put out? Woo! When my Jabuma, one of one book from Fine Choga. Oh, put it to also when I'm in water. I can't carry you want biscuit, but I'm doing them. To my young. To my young. What? Mega. Upa hano wa ABC waje kwa. Upa ABC. Oya, o se ABC nwa. Very good. So give me 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me your man. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29. I don't want to chow him and go quickly. How one again? I can't get your poor eye. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, Oh, my, how much you got there? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Who are 1 year but no year? How about 38, 39. Go on. Remember, the American won't go to I don't want to chow hang my son to va a one. Now we heard our rock of a song. Oh, come down. You're not cool. Fuck with I not cool. You're not cool. You're not cool. You're not cool. Chop knuckle. I said chop knock. Bah. Before we name do you know how to dance shaku shaku? Sure. There's a cream music.